From here, we'll go for Vajrasan, the thunderbolt posture. Gently join your legs. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Sit straight. This is Dandasana, the beginning posture for all sitting postures. Now, hold your right leg at the knee. Keep your right foot under your right buttock. 2. Hold your left leg and keep under your left buttock. Now keep your palms on your thighs. Sit straight. This is called Vajrasana. In the final posture, you may keep your eyes closed. This is one of the best meditative posture. Normal breathing. It helps to keep our spine straight, which helps to bring alertness and it prevents from the drowsiness. It stimulates Vajrasana. It is at our ankles, which increases the awareness. It is very useful for the vericos vein and flat foot. Vajrasana is only one posture which can be done even after a heavy meal. Vajrasana helps to calm down the mind. It is very useful for developing concentration and patience. Remember, even though it looks very easy, but people suffering from knee pain and rheumatic problems should avoid this. Now 3. Slowly release your right leg. 4. Release your left leg and relax in Shithila Dandasana. Separate your legs, hands back side and hang your head any side, either back or right or left, and relax.